your daddy doing? Let's get situated. Let's go. I think the market took off without me. I had a 28 from yesterday. She's sitting at 29 now. I think she's gonna come down and get us. She's gonna come down and get us about right up in here. Here she comes. I got a 27 alarm set right here. So I want to see a nice little drop and a little wick right in this little area right here. What's happening? Y'all tap that screen as y'all come into TikTok. Yo, what up? What up, YouTube? How you doing? How your mama doing? How your daddy doing? How your granny doing? How everybody doing? How everybody doing? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? There's a pull down. I think we're activated now. She don't activate me. Let's go down to a smaller time frame real quick. I think we might get the little 28 buy again. She's sitting right there at the 28. We're in there right now. We're in the 28 right now, guys. I took the 28 just to see if we can get some movement back up to 34.33. Just to let everybody know. It's not too much. It's like very big reddish bearish candles. So I just want to see if she's going to jump off right here. We're not going to put too much energy into it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. It's a lot of bearish momentum. I think we should get a nice little pool.
Now with Cox Internet and
we should
Mobile,
get a nice
the price
little
of your
pool.
plan won't go up for 3 years.
It's a very risky trade. It's just literally just trading from what we traded at yesterday.
At no extra cost.
So you don't have to give it too much time. You don't have to give it too much energy. We're just gonna let to see if she's just gonna pull back. We just want to know if she's gonna pull back. Let's go. There she goes. Here she goes. And then we're gonna get started. We're just gonna see if we get a nice little pull back, a retracement back up into this area right here. To a 29, 30, 31, like that. Get about 20, 30 pips. Get some house money real quick. Then we're just gonna rock and roll, baby. We're gonna rock and roll. We have an entry right back here. Both of our entries are literally, we had 2 entries. We had a order set. We just closed out the order. We're up almost 180 bucks off that pull up. Look at that pull up. I told y'all. Who's in it? Put some fire in the chat if you in it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's make that money, honey. Let's make that money, honey. Let's make that money, honey. We already up 180 bucks. 180 bucks. No income claims. No income claims early in the morning. Early in the morning. TikTok, just to show you guys. Oh, let's go, baby. Let's go. Right there. Right there. Patience is a virtue. We just want to see her pull all the way up here. We want to see her pull all the way up there. Boom. 216. Let's go. Let's go. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. 225. 230. House money secured. House money secured. House money secured. Let's go, baby. Just a quick little scalp before the beginning of class. Quick little scalp, quick little 30 pips with a 0.75. Straight projected, straight projected. And let me show you why. You go to the 4-hour time frame, look at this big red candle. That's the money, $225 right here real quick. No questions asked. 7 minutes in class. 7 minutes in class. You know what I'm saying? This is why it's important that you have your rollerblades or your skates on in the market so you can understand where you was at yesterday, what was hitting yesterday, what was hitting the day before, and if the zone is still valid, it's well worth to try. I personally just set an order right here and allowed that order to tap me in and literally, boom, close me out. Just that simple. Tap me in, close me out. Tap me in, close me out. Tap that screen. And look, she's already about to come back down. She's gonna start coming back down with a vengeance. She's gonna start coming back down with a vengeance. Took the 30 pips and ran. Put some 8s in the chat if you just made money, YouTube. Y'all coming this live. 96 beautiful people. Only 62 people hit the like button right now. Y'all tripping over here on YouTube. We already got 205 likes over here on TikTok with 4 people. Come on now. YouTube, you gotta be better. You got to do better. You got to do better. Look at that pull up for y'all. And she's staircasing. She's gonna continue going down. This was just a mid pull up right here at the 27. I took 28 yesterday. We took 27 today. You see that? I had an alarm set right here, which triggered my very first entry. Then I had the back entry right here. So what I used was a 0.75 right here, took 30 pips. Not even tripping. People say, well, you could have had for longer. Why do I need to hold for longer? It went from the 27 to the 30. That was the plan. And take the profits. Like, hashtag no worries. It means no worries for the rest of your days. Look, so she already back at entry now. The trade is no longer valid. The trade is no longer valid. Even if it takes off, we don't care. The purpose was to come in the first 5 minutes, let her drop into that zone, and make everybody some moolah before we even get started. Put some 8s in the chat if you got house money already. Put some 8s in the chat if you got house money already. You forgot to hit it, Lee? Or did y'all just watch me make money? Or did y'all just watch me make money that fast? Yesterday with the 28 jumped off. Remember we gave y'all that 28 right in class? I said, yo, I gave y'all the Fibonacci retracement. Let's go. Let's go. What's happening, beautiful people? We just jumped up to that hunt down real quick. Here on YouTube, if you're in the class, literally hit the thumbs button. Make sure you like, make sure you share. And you guys have not been leaving comments on the videos. Some videos got 2 comments, 4 comments, 3 comments, 2 comments. The disrespect. The disrespect. Let me make sure y'all see that ticker. Look at she pulling up again, and I don't even care. She pulling up again, and I don't even care. We don't even care. We don't even care at this point. We don't even care. She can pull all the way up here and we don't care because we got our money now. And now we're just waiting for the zones. We're going to reset everything and we're going to go get some zones. We're going to go get some zones. Dun, 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 dun. I bought that zone 30-30 to 30-27. Yes. Yeah, she was popping last night. We were selling last night. We sold from the 42.39 last night. She jumped up to the 40, I think, to the 48, I see. But last night while we were trading, she went straight to the 44 and came all the way down to 34, 100 pips, 100 plus pips, 80 plus pips. This morning, if you'd have just held out to the sale and like not even looked at her with no stop loss, bang, she's down. Down, down, down. The market's going down. Let's go. Let's look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ is up from yesterday. Look at that play. Look at that play from yesterday. NASDAQ is up from last night. So she's retracing back into this same little area right here, which should easily. She's at a 50% retracement right now, so we're gonna hold off on her because gold's still going up. So that means she's gonna come down a little bit more. Yeah, we probably started up trying to buy her at 21,882. But I like the same zones. I like my zones though, to be honest. I like these zones. Even though this zone is already hit, the 860 to the 21,840, I'm gonna go with the back of the zone now. I like right up in here. I like 844 to 814. Find the parameters. 846 to 16. That's a pretty big ass zone. Is that 30? Is that 300 pips? That's 200 pips. That's why. Let's go 200. Let's go 24. Yeah, let's go 200. Boom. Yeah. Let's change the play. Let's change the play. $844 to $814. I think I got 16. What we got over here? Yeah. NASDAQ is literally, dude, look at gold, gold shooting on our ass. Gold is shooting on our ass. Let's go, gold. She back up 30 pips. She back up 30 pips. She back up 30 pips. She's up under there. Let's go, let's see. We playing, baby. We playing. Let's see if we get a BCR. Let's see if we get a BCR and a break back down into the 29.28. Then we buy her back up on this side over here, guys. Because we get a confirmed reversal right now. Let's just see if she slingshots right up in here. I want to see if she slingshots back down. We're not going to take the slingshot sale right now because we want to see if she break close retests over here. Yeah, we want to see if she break close retests. Right here is a good slingshot area. That's normally a nice little slingshot back down. That's normally a good slingshot back now, right up in here. We're gonna watch her. Anytime, I want you guys to start noticing, if you have the EMA 9 and the EMA 200 on your charts, anytime you see them together like this is a potential slingshot in the opposite direction that the candle is going. So if you see the candle pulling up, like right up in here, you can literally start scalping the sell. You can scalp the sell, literally right up in here, to be honest with you. Like right here. It's worth the scalp, to be honest. It's well worth the scalp. It's well worth the scalp. And hold it 30 pips back down to the 28.29. These are like quick plays because it's on the 15 minutes. We trade on the 4 hours. But because we're live streaming, we're looking for action quicker. You know what I'm saying? I was talking about the light bottom, but yeah, I just watched you make it. I just watched you make it. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. So we should see a little push. We should see a little push up, like right up in here in this action. And I just want to show you guys how powerful the 200 and the 9 is together. And if I move this little highlight area, you'll see that she came literally at the 31, and now she's all the way back at the 30 already, 10 pips. Like that's how amazing this little indicators, these two indicators together is. Like either the slingshot happens at the 200, which it always happens, or it happens in between the 200 and the 9. Check it out. Check it out. So that means NASDAQ is pulling up on us. That's what that means right now. NASDAQ should be pulling up. It's pulling up. She's pulling up. She's coming in. I think our zone is right here. Yeah, she's coming into our zone. So let's watch NASDAQ right now. She's going to come into our aggressive at that 844. We have an 846. Yeah, we have an 846. I'm gonna take the 8. I got an alarm set at 8:39. 8:39. Yeah. I want to see the market pull right up in here, and I'm gonna start taking her. I'm gonna take her at the 44, and I'm gonna be willing to take her back down up here in the middle. To be honest with you, because I see the 200 right there. So my alarm is at the 844. Yeah. I like the 844. Only reason why I like this aggressive, y'all, is for the simple fact that 200 is sitting right here. So I think the market can pull us down into here and then slingshot us back out of there on NASDAQ right now. This is a previous zone that we've entered. So she'll probably come in a little bit deeper now and then pull back out. This is what you want to see. So we're gonna see if we get that. I'm gonna move this guy over here. Right here. Y'all tap that screen, TikTok. Y'all tap that screen, TikTok. Y'all tap that screen, TikTok. Please, what site? This is TradingView. This is the NASDAQ. The ticker is on the screen. We're trading NASDAQ. We're trading, look at gold. Look at gold drop. Drop them 10 pips real quick. Don't be a hater all your life, gold. Come on down. I feel like Bob Barker right now. Price is right, come on down. Let's go, here she comes right here. If there's a really, really big red candle, modest is only going to be valid. Anytime you see big red candles coming into the area really, really fast, the modest is only active. Right now, I like that 44, but for the simple fact you have a 200 sitting right here, and it's the daily floor. So let's go check her out. I want to see her pull into here and reverse up out of there. Let's go. I want to see her pull right up in here. Anything in this area, we're buying. We're buying up. What's happening, beautiful people? My bad. What up, Keenan? Yo, Keenan, we gotta finish chopping it up, bro. I need some shorts, bro. I need shorts, Keenan. What up, Callan? What up, Caleb? What up, Hitter? Alex is buying too. Where Alex is buying from? Where Alex is buying from? If Alex is buying, I'm damn sure buying. Hey, I'm grateful, Nino. We know it. We already know it. If Alex is buying, I'm buying too. So as soon as we got in class, we had a 27.28 activated from yesterday's 33.30, 33.27. And so the modest really never activated because it blasts right off from that 28. It literally came in the middle of the modest and then boom, took off. So right now, I saw it coming back this morning on gold, and we took that play. Well, I took that play right there. I told everybody to press the button as soon as we got in, like boom, press the button. So now we're challenging this little trend right here, this little slingshot area, which is bringing NASDAQ into the area we want. She's sitting at 66. We want 44. That's what we want. That's what we want. She is 200 ticks away. Actually, 2,000 ticks away if you want to calculate from the hundreds. Actually, no, 200, my bad. Only 200. Only 200. 200 ticks away. Garrett, you got 33.23 to 33.22. That's Alex zone. What up? What up, Mac? Siobhan, what's happening? The two lines on the bottom of my chart, what do those represent? What, these lines right here? Or you talking here? Yeah, so the zones come from the 4 hour. Because we're live streaming, we're looking at the 15 minutes because it moves. The zones come from here. These are the zones. The zones come from your 4 hour. So we're just waiting for the market to do like that, bing, and get up out of there like she did last night. You see, last night she did this, pull it up here. I missed this. I gave this live last night to everybody and explained it. They woke up in green, whoever took it and held it. Now she's coming back in, and we're gonna take that ass again. We're gonna take that ass again. We're gonna take it again and again and again. As soon as she comes down, let me move that out of the way. As soon as this guy, she's fighting that EMA 9 right now on the 4 hour, to be honest. She's fighting that EMA 9 right now on the 4 hour. So she could easily pull up from like right up in here, but I think we get the little force down, jump off. But I'm happy with the 225 that I made this morning already in 6 minutes. Y'all put 225 in the chat, no income claims. 225, no income claims. Y'all should be tapping that screen over here on TikTok. Y'all should be tapping that screen because I'm getting you right here on NASDAQ. We're going to find more plays on gold. We're going to find plays on Dirty 30. Look at Dirty 30. Look at Dirty 30. Everything is right there. Dirty 30 is like right at the end of that session. So everything is trying to reverse out right now. You'll see it. It's in the overbought market, oversold market. So everything is trying to reverse from the max oversold. So everything is already kind of like pivot out. And that's what you're seeing from the zone here. So something has to happen. Let's go check news. Today is the 11th. Oh, shuck it. We got CPI report. Yeah, let's see what we got going on. Change in price of goods. That is what CPI means. Change in price of goods. This is what this is about. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So we are a little this like their consumer price index. This is for your retail food energy. Let's go. CPI report. Financial markets are trading water amid a lull in trading activity. Future trackings is bellwether SPX 500 stock index. So the census is for a 0.2 increase in the CPI. So it should be a really good report. It should be a really good report. As the dust settled on another week of fiery headlines from Washington, D.C., a cautiously positive tone seemed to prevail across the markets. Yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah, it should be a positive report. You can see right there. It's going to be a positive report, so we're excited. Previously, they was forecasting 3%, but what they got up. This is previous, this is forecast, actual numbers. So we should be good. We should get bullish momentum. We should get bullish momentum. We should get bullish momentum. Look at NASDAQ jumping. Get your butt back down here. Stay jumping. Let's go watch gold, see if we get that BCR over there. Let's see if we get that BCR over there. And then if we don't get anything, I'm gonna just start marking up charts and giving you guys zones. These are just plays that were like kind of like active like last night, and they really didn't hit. And these are like little areas I was just kind of like waiting on. Because here in the next 3 minutes, this is a long-legged doji. If this candle closes above the doji, meaning the bears are still in charge. Right now, the bulls have showed you a reversal signal on the 15. If you go into your actual 30 minutes, you'll see that the bullish hammer has happened, but you'll see the actual 34, 35 area right here. So this is the area. That is the area. That is the area. But you'll see on the 15, she's like in the middle of the slingshot. She got slingshots across the board. 30, 1 hour. Other than the, yeah, you got the 1 hour, it's still there. So she's passing the 4 hour EMA 9. I think I got the sneeze. Isa. We should get a drop right there. We should get a nice little scalp drop right up in here. Let's see. We should get a nice little scalp drop right up in here. And you guys should see it. You guys should see it. I'm not taking it because I'm looking for the bigger buys down here. Like on NASDAQ, I'm looking for the bigger buys down here on US 30. I'm basically patient. There she goes. There's your scalp. There's your scalp. Put some fire in the chat if you took her. Put some fire in the chat if you took this scalp right now. I just gave it to you. I just gave it to you. Take the scalp. Take the scalp. It should give you some quick house money. It should give you some quick house money right here. Take the scalp. Take the scalp. Here she comes. Here she comes. Here she comes, right there, TikTok. This is XAU USD. This is the ticker on it. And people are literally scalping from right here. There's a trend right there. It's literally just like trend line rejection. You have a slingshot area right here between your EMA 9 and your EMA 200. If you need me to explain the 200 to the EMA 9, we have another 30 minutes left in class. But this was should come back up here again. She's dropping 2-3 times. And as you see, soon as 28 seconds, we're gonna see what the next candle does. The next candle should push us right up in there. It should push you right up in there. Watch it. 18 seconds. It should push you right up in here, and then she's gonna probably like consolidate right up in here. But we need Nas. I think Nas pulled all the way up. Yeah, she pulled up. She pulled up on us. Nas pulled up from here. I knew it. I knew that heifer was gonna pull up. I knew that heifer was about to pull up. I saw it. I saw it from the EMA. I saw it from the EMA. So if Nas is pulling up, gold is gonna drop right up in here. She should drop right up in there. If Nas is pulling, there she goes. Here she comes. Here she comes. Dun, 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 dun. Nas is pulling. Gold should do the opposite. Should do the opposite. Dun, 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 dun. What's happening, family? What's the chance the 4-hour candle does the same retracement as the prior candle? What is the chances? There's great chances. Right now, you're up 10 pips. You're up 10 pips from the 31. You should be up already. Going into the 29, you should be going into like 20 pips right now, going into that 20 pip range. Look at that drop. That is a projected drop on the 15. If there's not any other drop, I don't know who else is going to show you just like that. I don't know who gonna show you like that. I don't know who you're gonna show you like that. So if you're in that cell, you want to see this right here. Drop past this previous area, and if you get past that 27, 28, she's coming back down here to the 25, 26, where she kind of like took off at. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Look at NASDAQ. This helpful. Look at US 30. This helpful. She pulled right up. Look at that. They pulled right up. They pulled right up. Oh man. Look at these pull up. This is the news. This is news. This is news. Everybody in the same little zone. Everybody in the same little area. Everybody's in the same little area. Alright. Everybody should be clear. Everybody made a $100 scalp on gold. Joey said, thank you, sir. $100. Amen. Good shit, Joey. Good shit. Y'all tap that screen. Y'all tap that screen, TikTok. Y'all not showing me no love if y'all just made money. Just made $100. Let's go. What is that you say, Matt? Oh, what's that? Eli? Oh, Eli. I'm in US 30. You in the US 30? In the US 30 buy right now? Let's go. Eliana in the US 30 buy. Good job, mama. Good job. Great job. All right, so let's go. Let's mark up charts. Let's mark up charts, beautiful people. Let me get all of that stuff out of the way while I was teaching yesterday. I still like these zones on NASDAQ. Because the zones are in the middle right now. So I still like these zones. You guys can literally keep these zones for NASDAQ. US 30, she basically took off from the middle. NASDAQ took off from the middle, literally right here. US 30 plays are still should be the same. We'll probably redo US 30 because these are kind of far. We might need to get some right now action. So let's go get US 30. What's happening? What's happening? What up, Mr. H? I'm grateful for the knowledge you're sharing. I appreciate you, Rome. I appreciate you, Rome. The Honcho. Hey, Mr. H, do you still be on Sway? Do I still be on Sway? There's your answer. There's your answer. There's your answer. Gold pulled all the way up. Everything is pulling up right now. Everything is pulling up right now. Gold back at 32. Gold back at the slingshot. Gold going up. US 30 going up. NASDAQ going up. But right now, you look on the market, everything red but gold and like the dollar. You see? And your JPY pairs because of the bonds. But everything else is red. The market is red right now. Maybe them LA riots got everybody freaking out. Maybe the LA riots got everybody freaking out. Oh man, you got several stop areas. So you got 718 to 738.
Choose to lean into it. Every Mazda is engineered to give you effortless control.
I wake up.
news gives us a nice little jolt down, that's the play. You got 42,903. $904. I'm gonna go 84. Da, 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 da. Oh, my bad, TikTok. Y'all can't even see what we doing right now. My bad, TikTok. Sometimes I be feeling like I'm the worst influencer on here. Go long. You can never go wrong with going long on gold. Gold at 33.33. You can never go wrong going long on gold. You can never go wrong. But she still pulled from that little 27, 28 area. She pulled. That's like you have your W forming on the 4 hour. It's just lagging right now. It's just lagging. But she could easily take off from here. She could easily take off. Gold could easily take off from here. But we're going to mark her up. We're going to mark her up. There's your daily. We got highs for the day sitting at 33.48. We got a low for today sitting at 33.16 where she took off from yesterday. We're going to go to that 4 hour. We're going to find gaps. Look at those gaps. You have a gap sitting at 16 to 19. Boom. Buy gold. 16.19. Buying gold. 33.16. 33.19. Buy gold. I doubt she come back. That's a 4 hour. That's a 4 hour wick. She might not come back. She might start pushing back through there. If she hits this 33.48 with like with a real big green candle, the play will be 61.58. But we're gonna stick with the 48. So looking at this, I'm gonna put it in the gap right here. But we don't have a. Yeah, let's change it to right there. That's better. I like that better. 50.47. 50.47. 50.47. Boom. 33.50. 33.47. Come on. Y'all got that? Y'all got it? Ew, that thing took off. Wow, she took off. Look at gold on that 15. She right at that 34. She right at that trend. Look, she right at that trend. Right here at the trend. Breaking through that trend right there. Remember I said we're going to see if we get a break? Now let's see if she drops right here at that 34 and retest for us, because if you look at the 30, she's going to be right here at that slingshot. So the slingshot should give us the retracement on the 15. Here it is. Watch this. You got 4 minutes to watch. We should start seeing. Watch this. And we're just watching. You're not selling right now. You're not selling at all. You're not selling at all. This is a lot of bullish momentum coming into the first part of the session. We want to see if she just rejects from here and then gives us the retest candle in the next like 3 minutes. That's all I'm looking for right now. I just want to see some style of rejection in this little price range right here. 34, 36, 37, and see if we get a drop so it can give us a retest candle, buy back up. This is what we want. We want to see the slingshot come back into here to a 31.28, 31.28, and then that's what we're going to get, because right now in the 30 minutes, she's pushing to the EMA 9, EMA 200, and we can see a nice little drop from here. A nice little, small little drop. We should see a small little drop from there. At 34, we should start seeing the wicks. Let's see if we get the wick right here. There's your slingshot. Here's your little slingshot. Let's see her, let's see her, let's see her, let's see her. And this, like I said on the 15, it's going to tell us in 2 minutes and 40 something seconds. 2 minutes and 40 something seconds. Do we get the retracement? We get the retracement. Me personally, I'm going to start popping entries around about 32, 31. Just to grab the buy and pull her back up. Now, if she just dies, then the zone here is valid. But right now, she's looking like she's gonna play in this range right here. Y'all tap that screen, TikTok. Y'all tap that screen. We got 122 people over here. Total 150 some people in the lives together. We sitting with 150 some people right now. Let's go, beautiful people. We're watching gold. We're watching NASDAQ. We're watching Dirty 30. I still need to get back on here. NASDAQ can get y'all some money. Look at that. I still need to find y'all money over here on NASDAQ. Actually, we kept the same zones on NASDAQ. We kept the same zones on NASDAQ. So yeah, we're good on that. I think we kept the same zones on Dirty 30 also. Or did I make new ones? I think I made new ones. I made new ones. I made new zones. Right now, gold is moving. So gold is sitting at 35. We want to see if we get our rejection coming from that 30, because she's sitting right here. She has 16 minutes to start pulling up out of there. Like I said, I like her. You just got to have the patience to see her pull down. There she goes. Here she comes. Here she comes. Just to show you, TikTok. Right here is where we put the red line. We want to see if the market rejects from here and starts heading back down here in 40 something seconds. And here she comes. Here she comes, just walking down the street, singing do I do. There she blows. There she blows, beautiful people. Nobody. 36 seconds. 36 seconds. We want to get a close right here, and then we want to get a retest candle back up in here. We want to get a close right in this area and then a retest candle back in here. And we're just going to literally just buy her back up. Simple as that. She's going to be on the right side of the trend. And we're going to just work that thing all the way back up into our sell zone. So we're doing I want to see a 28.31, something like that, retest. That's what I want to see. Oh, actually, we can go for 32.29, 32.29. See if we got the retracement. Let's see if we get the retracement, because she might pop up right here. She might pop up right here. I want to know if she gets in the middle. Give me something in the middle, baby. Give me something in the middle. Give me something in the middle. Give me something in the middle, baby. Or just bankhead bounce up out of there. My bad, TikTok. My bad, TikTok. I want something like right here. She could easily bounce from there. You can easily bounce from here, and I won't even regret it. Look at it, there she goes. She can easily bounce from here, and I won't even regret it. I won't even regret it. I won't even regret it. Dun, 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 dun. And if she gets past this area right here, she's not coming back here. She's gonna go, because she still needs to pass it on the 30. She needs to pass it on the 1 hour. She needs to pass it. She needs to pass that area. She needs to blast past 35, 36, and just push through this area. So this is why the area is literally like a very risky area. That's why you want a proper retest to find more buyers, and then fly up and fly back over to over the 35, Close over to 35, work your way to the 36, 37, like that. That's the energy you're looking for. That's the energy you're looking for. But you just want that thing right there, pull on up out of there. Ha, 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 ha. TikTok, look at that pull up. Quick little pull up. Quick little pull up. Quick little pull up. Let's get past the 35. Let's get past the 35. What's happening? This will be considered a scalp? No, this will be considered a buy because it's on the right side and she's moving up. You have 3 consecutive higher highs right over here. This could be creating your third white soldier. It's in a scalp sell position from the 34, 37. That's a scalp sell position. But we have a lot of bullish momentum because we got news right now. So news is popping off. So that gave us that candle, which I took and just scalped, which I should have just held because she never came back and just flew up. But I was scalping for house money. So I don't care what the market does at that point. I just want to get my money. So that's what I did. This is what we're doing. And we're getting money. We're getting money. Did anybody take this little pull up right here off the EMA9? Did anybody take that? Because I know I got some degenerates and understand how I like to scalp off the 15-minute EMA9. My entries were sitting kind of like right up in here for it, like that. So, but we're ready for it. But you can see it's rejected from that 30 minutes. This is where it's having a hard time breaking through. So in the next 11 minutes, we want to see a push through that, and then we're good. We want to see a push through it. Push through, baby. Push through, baby. Here she comes. Here she comes. Look at the 15. Here she comes again, but you can see she keeps bouncing right here. She keeps bouncing. This is the ultimate bounce area like this. This area right there. That's the ultimate bounce and take off. She might need that to get past this area here, to get past the EMA9 on the 30. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Let's go, baby. Let's see if she pulls. NASDAQ, US 30, they're still sitting in the middle. Only people like in our little active zone area is gold right now. And the only reason why gold is really truly moving right now, if you see it, is because, like I said, she's trapped right here. The minute she finds buyers and push through there and close over here, over at a 36, it's over. It's over, I'm telling you. It's over. You go to 1 hour, then she's gonna, yeah. That 35, 36 is where she's fighting. Literally where she's fighting. Right here, we wanna see her come right up in here. Here she comes. Here she comes. There she goes. Here she comes. Bam, bam. Head on down a little bit. There she goes. She's still at the 33. I personally want a 32. Once I get me a little 32, we're gonna be good. We're gonna be good. Bum, 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 bum. That's close enough. That's close enough. That's close enough. I'm in. I'm in, guys. I'm in for this little retracement buy back up right here. That's what we're on right now. I just want to see her wick back up out of here and then jump off. This is what we want to see. We got 9 minutes. We got 9 minutes. We're going to see this guy. Now, this is my official entry right now. This is the official entry right now. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. We're in there. We're in there. Now she's in that little consolidated range. All she needs to do now is pull up out of there. You can see where she broke, where she retraced right here on the 30. That's a proper retracement. Look at there. Look at there. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. This gives us our retest candle right up in here. I like it. I like it. We should pull straight up out of there. We should pull straight up out of there. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody in? Put some 8s in the chat if you in. Put some 8s in the chat. What we're doing, we're trading in the middle of our zones, but we're trading in a previous zone from yesterday. This is what we're doing right now. We're trading in a previous zone. Remember before I gave you guys the 30.27, I told you guys I like the 32.29. Like, that's what this area is. When we did the Fibonacci, it gave us the 33.30, and I said, no, I like the 33.27 because that's a bigger zone. That's literally like 60 pip zone. So I said, no, let's do 30.27. So this is that same area that we were trading in yesterday, and now we want to just see the little same pullback, bow, the opposite way, which could take a little time because it's fresh in the morning. It's 4:52. Like I said, I'm gonna let her pull over here. My stop loss is sitting down over here at the 29, just to let you guys know. My entries are 33 and 32. They gave me back-to-back entries. I didn't like the back-to-back entries, but it gave me back-to-back entries. So we have two little entries sitting here in the middle. We got a 33.12, which I didn't like, and we got a 33.32 that's actually like right there at profits. It's like right there in profits. Like the entry right here is right in profits. We're trading gold, guys. We're trading gold on TikTok. We're trading gold. We're trading a slingshot area right now. We're on a slingshot area right now. So what we want to see the bullish momentum, buying pressure coming in right here. This is what we want to see, a nice little retracement up out of there. And you got 6 minutes and 18 seconds for it to happen. Just that simple. And if it doesn't happen, it starts trickling down. It's okay. It's on the right side. This whole little area right here is where she wants to buy up. Whole little area right here, she wants to buy up. There's your pull up. There's your pull up. Everybody should be green. Everybody should be going green right now with no hesitation. No hesitation. Let's go. Let's get the pull up. Get your ass back up there. Get your ass back up there, go. You can see she wants to go. You can see she wants to go. Right here. Let's see if we get that pull up again. Give me the pull up. Pull up on man. Pull up on man. Let's go. Here she comes. Here she comes. Decline. We're not accepting invites right now. No invites. No invites. As that first position, that 33, as that 33 gets into profit, which is right now, I'm going to close her out. I have my 32. My 32 is up $15 right now. I just put a 0.25 on her. I ain't put nothing crazy because the market is moving in the middle. I have bigger entries for bigger zones down at the bottom. So yeah, we're green. We're green. Let's go. We're green, 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 green. Come on, TikTok. Quit hating. Of course it's me. Of course it's me. Of course it's me. TikTok just stalled us out. Let's go, TikTok. Y'all put some. Shorts are inbound. Yes, shorts are inbound. Shorts are inbound. I think NASDAQ is still trying to push. NASDAQ is pushing. Gold, like US 30 is pushing. Let's go. Let's go. They've been doing the opposite. Gold sitting back at 32, back at my entry. She's back at my entry now, so we're really not tripping. I just want to see if we get a slingshot. We get that slingshot up out of there. That's it. We're just gonna watch it. We're gonna watch it. We're gonna watch it formulate. We're gonna watch it happen. Make it happen, happen. She's right here. She likes to pull from here. She likes to pull from here. She likes to pull from here. Only thing I don't like is that the indices are shooting right now. Only thing I don't like about this trade right now, this little scalp, is that indices are shooting. So when you see that, that means gold is gonna start pulling down. But I think she still pulls to give us what we need because she's fighting this area right here. That's all. That's why we're getting our nice little drop right here. So let's see. We're at the 31. We're at our original area. 31, 29 is where my stop loss is at. 29 is where my stop loss is at. I have a 32 entry, so now I'm only negative 10 pips, so I'm not tripping. And this is where action likes to happen. Come on, baby. This is where action likes to happen. This is where action likes to happen, TikTok. Yeah, gold needs to fly. Eventually, she's going up anyway. So for me, it's like, even if you're negative today, she could come right down here, retest that trend, and by 12:30, 1 o'clock, she's like, green, 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 green. She's back at like 35, 37, 38. You're like, damn, I had a 32 this morning. I had a 32 this morning. You see, like that. That's what ended up happening. But like I said, my 32 is positive. My 32 is green. My 32 is green. I'm like, I have no worries with this trade. I closed, there she goes. I closed out that 33, and now we only got the deep 32. We're at the bottom of this wick right now, and all she got to do is just pull. All she has to do is just pull. We know the fight is at the 35, 36. We know the fight is here. That's where we know the fight is at. Look at there. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Pull for daddy. Pull for daddy. Who's green? Who's green? Who's green? Let's go, baby. Let's go. TikTok, tap that screen, TikTok. Tap that screen, TikTok. We green, green. Green, green. Let's go! Let's freaking go, baby. Let's go. No income claims, but we up. We up. I caught you guys right into that little slingshot area. We right into that slingshot area. We're 20 pips up. We're 20 pips up because it's a very, very risky. Don't put your stop loss at break even just yet. Please don't. Please don't. Just watch the trade. Take partials. Take your partials because it could easily come back down on us. But at the same time, that's a slingshot. Take your ass back up there. Get your ass back up there, gold. Get your ass back up there. We don't want to see you down here no more. We don't want to see you down here no more, Seabass. We don't want to see you down here no more. We don't like your kind down here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We 10 pips in profit. We 10 pips in profit, so we up like $25. Like I said, we use bigger lot sizes down here to get market money. Now we're just using average lot size just in case we need multiple entries. So I always start off with a proper 25. So when I get 30 pips, that's $75. See how she opened up under there? I don't like that. So that means she's gonna come back down here and she's gonna try to fight it if she doesn't get back over that 32. Like that. I don't like that. I don't like that, but she can push all the way through. We need her to get over that 33 EMA 9 right now, or she's gonna bankhead bounce and consolidate over in here. That's for sure. We want her to pull all the way up out of there. Because we know in the 1 hour she has room. On the 1 hour, she's here. She slingshots from here, you see? This is the 1 hour. So that means she wants to pull back up here. This is what just happened. This is what just happened. She closed over here. There it goes. There it goes on the 1 hour. Show me pull, baby. Show me pull up on the 1 hour. Show me some pull up on the 1 hour. Give me love. There she goes. There she goes. See, when you get to the higher time frames, the smaller time frame shows you what's keeping it from blowing up. You see? This shows you what keeps it from going. This right here. The 1 hour, you don't even see it because it's right up in here. You don't even see it. So when you're buying right here, you're like, yo, what the fuck? Why the trade not taking off? It's because those smaller time frames got it like snapped. And look at this. Look at the 15. Boom, get over the 15. Look at the 30. We heading towards the 30 again. So now we know exactly what's going on when she starts rejecting right here. Imagine when she gets above this, you already gone. You're already gone. TikTok, look at what I changed 25 cents into. Look at what I changed 25 cents into. Only place you're gonna do it. Only place you're gonna do it. Let's go. Look at the 15 minutes. Let's go, beautiful people. Let's go. Y'all put some fire in the chat if y'all making money this morning. It's 5:01. I gotta go, beautiful people. We got to go. 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 These are literally like just in and out type of trades. I always say, if you want, take your money. Don't be ashamed of taking your money. You're in class. You're in a danger zone. She's dropping from 37, 34. She's dropping from this area. You see we're getting past it. You see we getting past it. But if you don't want to go for this fight, take your money right now. Take your money right now, I'm telling you. Look at that pull up. She's out of there. She's out of there. She's out of there. Let's go. She's going to fight that 35, 36, that 37 area. So I'm telling you, this is a good place to take y'all money. Put your stop loss at break even. Take partials. And you have zero worries, beautiful people. Zero worries. I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. No DJ Khaled right here. No DJ Khaled. We got some Cuban on. We moving our hips this morning. Alexis, what's happening? If y'all follow simple direction, everybody should be green. Nobody should have closed a trade. Nobody should took an L. Everybody should be up 40 pips. Everybody should have a 32 entry or a 33 entry, which you took above the EMA 9 and then closed out when it popped above the 33. You should have closed it out and only had the 32. Joey, what's up, baby? Go for the win. Go for the win. We are sitting at a nice prize. Let's go, family. Let's go. Let's go. Look at the 30. She's past our area. She passed our area. But she has to close over here, y'all. Never get it twisted. She has to close over here. Look at the 15. Look at the 15. I gotta go, guys. I love you guys on YouTube. I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. Y'all get y'all screenshots. Y'all make sure y'all drop some comments on the actual live. Y'all make sure y'all share the live. Y'all make sure y'all get screenshots and tag me on social media. I told y'all to take y'all money. I told y'all to take y'all money. Don't be telling me I don't know what I'm talking about. I told y'all to take y'all money. I told you motherfuckers to take your money. I told y'all to take y'all money. I told you to take the money. I said, that motherfucker, bro, that's a sale area. That's a sale area. Take your money. If you don't want to go through this fight right here, take your money, I told you. Look at that. That's a 30-minute drop. Look at the 1 hour wick right there. That's a 1 hour drop right now. That's news. I told y'all to take y'all money. If you didn't take your money, you just got clipped out right now. You see that? Make your money and get out of the way. Make your money and get out of the way. We don't care what she does right now. Now they can go down to our buy zones now, you see? Gold can come here now. I love y'all. Y'all deuces, beautiful people. Deuces, 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 deuces. If you're on YouTube, come over here on TikTok. I'm going to be on TikTok for a little hot minute. And then I'm going to go to the gym. I need to go to the gym, though. I need to go to the gym. I'm 5 minutes late to the gym. Nas and 30 hit too? No way. No way. Oh, shit. Nas is up, y'all. Fuck. Oh, my God. I didn't even see. Oh, I didn't put alarms. Why nobody didn't tell me? Look at US 30 right now. Holy shit. Holy shit, the buy and the sale is in profits. Damn, Nino, how we do that? How we calculate that? Did I just not give fire ass zone where people could be in a sale from here and a buy from here? Holy shit. Holy shit. Where is the measure right now? I didn't even see the US 30. Why nobody can tell me? Bro, that motherfucker went 1,500, 1,600 pips and nobody sent me a text message? Nobody sent me a text message? I should have had my glasses hanging down my face. I would have saw that shit. Damn. Damn. Sexy. Y'all see those zones? Y'all see those zones? All zones are invalid. I'm done for the day. That's like 3,000 some fucking pips in less than an hour class. I'm out of here. I'm done. None of my shit is valid. Fuck off. I ain't bullshit. None of my trades are valid for the rest of the day. If you didn't get 1,500 from over here, another 15, almost 2,000 from over here on US 30. And I want all my pips, Nino. I want all my pips. Come on. If that, like, listen, this is. Actually, I want pips from my sell zone, pips to the buy zone, because that went all the way here and then flew back up here. It's like, bro, that's like win-win. I want everything, Nino. I want everything. I think this is the first time in history somebody got on here and gave you almost, let's calculate the pips, because this candle was not there. This shit was not there. Let's calculate it. That's 1,562 pips down. All right. I want all mines, Nino. I want all mines. And she literally like right up in here. 581. So that's like 2,000 some pips that she's like gave us right now. And the more and more and more she go up, we gonna keep counting. My guy Nino. My guy Nino, bro. I love this guy. I fucking love this guy. We went to a trip in Tampa. Man, this was my guy. This was my guy. My fucking guy. Nino is amazing. Check that out. Check that out, Nino. Only thing we missing right now is the NASDAQ buy. The NASDAQ buy didn't hit. And it's no longer valid now. Look. No go. No go. No go. Hey, y'all got that? I don't want to hear nobody say, oh, Mr. H, I took your NASDAQ buy and I lost. And go run and tell Alex. I don't want to hear nobody. I need to get off this motherfucker right now. It's 5:08. Yo, TikTok, I need to get out. Yo, YouTube, come over on TikTok. We're running past the live stream. I love you guys. Deuces. Yo, Nino, I'm going to hit you up, baby. I'm going to hit you up. I told y'all CPI was going to come in great. Ew. Yo, TikTok, let me show my face. We made some money. Today. We made some money in this little hour session, TikTok. We made money in this session right now. Uh-huh. Let's go. What is this? Give me my layout. What up, TikTok? My bad. I trade on liquid brokers. I trade on liquid brokers. And right now, liquid brokers is tripping. They're not giving me my chart back. I think my mouse is about to die. This is what's happening. My computer tripping this morning. Look at that. Look at the US 30 though. We're gold. Gold's still sitting at our entry. Gold came back down, clicked everybody outside and hit the 27 and pulled back up. We want her down here now. We want this entry, the 1619. That's what we want on gold. Anything in the middle is high risk, low reward. So I'm not even interested in this stuff anymore. You see? We're not even interested in this movement. But I told everybody to take their money. Oh man, beautiful trade. I'm about to go to the gym, TikTok. I thought y'all was gonna give me more likes than that today because we made a lot of money today. No income claims. But we made a lot of money today. Yeah. We made a lot of money today. Now we're gonna go beat the body off. I love you guys. Y'all make the rest of your day the best of your day. Beautiful people. My light that went off. They let me know it's time to go. It's like, yo, bro, the lights are off. Jim is waiting. Jim is waiting. So, yo, TikTok, we will literally be back in here this evening. We're going to be trading. Yo, what the hell is up with my liquids right now? What's up with my liquid broker? Man, I gave a sniper entry, man, with the news. Do y'all understand that? With Cuban music on the background? I got my gym partner waiting. There we go. There's our charts. Don't hate on me right now. There's our charts. These are the charts I'm waiting on. This is the chart I'm waiting on. Let's go. All right, guys. I love you guys. What time later? So turn the notification on because today is Wednesday. I got to go to Denver tomorrow, so I got a lot of packing and stuff I need to do. So it'll probably be later on today. I'll make a post to let you guys know what time, but normally it's between like 6:30, 7 o'clock West Coast time, 9:30, 10 o'clock East Coast time. That's when it normally happens. Man, what a trade. From the start of the class to the finish of the class. What a trade.